Chapter 4, Understanding Laws, NCERT textbook exercises. Write in your own words what you understand by the term the rule of law. In your response, include a fictitious or real example of a violation of the rule of law. Answer. Rule of law means that the laws apply equally to all irrespective of caste, religion, color, sex, etc. Two people jump the signal red light and are caught by the traffic policeman. One of them pay a bribe and goes scot free, whereas the other who did not or could not do so had his license confiscated and a challan issued to him. The traffic policeman as well the first person both violated the rule of law. State two reasons why historians refute the claim that the British introduced the rule of law in India. Answer. Two reasons why the historians refute the claim that the British introduced the rule of law in India are: Sedition Act of 1870. Under this act, any person who protested or criticized the British government could be arrested without any trial. Indian nationalists played an important role for development of legal sphere in British India. Reread the storyboard on how a new law on domestic violence got passed. Describe in your own words the different ways in which women's groups worked to make this happen. Answer. Work of women groups on getting the law of domestic violence passed. Hearing complaints by the victims of domestic violence. Need for new law was raised at different forums. Lawyers collectively with law students and activities drafted the Domestic Violence Prevention and Protection Bill. This was widely circulated. Women's movement for introduction of the bill in Parliament. Introduction of bill in Parliament. Opposition to the bill. Referred to Parliamentary Standing Committee. In December 2002, recommendations of the Standing Committee after incorporation of amendments as per women's groups, reintroduction of amended bill passed by both the houses, assent of the President of India, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came into effect in 2006. Write in your own words what you understand by the following sentence. They also began fighting for greater equality and wanted to change the idea of law from a set of rules that they were forced to obey to law as including ideas of justice. Answer. The Indian nationalists advocated for greater equality for Indians before the law. They also advocated to bring changes in the law which were derogatory and which were forced on Indians.